No way. That's a big one. Oh, there's... Oh my God. Oh my God, it's on the wrong side. All right. Come here. Turn around. All right. Big fish. Big fish. All right, he's tired. He's pretty tired. Oh, never mind. Almost got him. He ran right past the net. I'm gonna lose my paddle. Man. Okay. Come here. Net. Let's go. Man, that was a fight. Man, that was a fight. Oh, quality bass. Look at that. Oh, it's a nice one. Let's go. I'm hooked pretty good. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's insane. I don't even know how big that is. I want to say like 3.3. But it's real fat, so it might even go bigger. Let's see. .2. All right, I actually agreed with the scale this time. So that's funny. It must be influencing me. Oh yeah. What a nice fish. All right. That was a grind. This is my first one of the day. It's a hell of a fight. That's probably the most entertaining fight I've had in a long time. I just could not get him in the net. All right, man. Have a good one. Let's go. Literally just fishing a little 1/16 ounce jig head with a paddle tail on the back. Oh yeah, I cannot go wrong with that. Let's go.